Alright, so this is liquid dispenser machine in progress. The liquid dispenser or dispensing machine, right? So you can see this is basically our version 1. When you power on the system, we have a preset volume to what 50, but then you can also increase that here. So the preset, the first button is the 50 that you saw. This is also increase to 100, 150, 200, and these other two are to increase to any other volume that you want to. I can increase that, and the increasing is always by 50. You can change that to 111. This can decrease, right? Okay, you are seeing that. So these ones are to set the volumes, and then when you set your volume, you can come to this section. For now, this is my motor or the pump, right? And then another component will come in which we don't have yet, right? This is to start the dispensing. So you have a volume set, you start it. It says dispensing. The volume, I can hold pause it. Okay, you see paused. The pump is off. I can hold press to resume it again. Okay, if for some reason you want to cancel, I can do the cancel, right? Cancel and get it. I can continue again. I can cancel anytime. In terms of mistake, I can set a new volume, right? Come back, right? So well, this is a liquid dispensing machine, okay, and it's still work in progress, and then we are working on it. I wish to tell you that if your child is to join our Code Champions program, right, or find themselves in any of our clubs, then they are going to learn practical skill, right? So this is a good morning from us. Yes, a good morning. They will learn to code. They will learn to code. Whatever we choose, we code it. Whatever project we are building, we code it, right? And then they also learn the electronics part. So stay tuned for more and have a good morning.